Good evening, everyone. This is a special night for the installation of the trustees. What I'd like to do is call up the trustees and the officers that will be installed tonight. President-elect Jerry Toscano. Treasurer Chris Kosha. Secretary Mike Panisi. Immediate past President Jairo Rodriguez. Past President Dennis DiCarlo. Past President Mike Del Duca. Past President Angela Sicoli. Trustee with the term ending in 2022, Carolyn Bardich. And trustee term ending 2022, Melissa Florence Lynch. Trustees term ending in 2023, Natalie Lentini and Judy Mazzoni. Trustees ending in 2024, Alex Jed, Irving Cham, Carol Tangura, and your trustees that are National Association of Realtors Directors, Mary Ellen O'Boyle, David Weisbrod, Bill Hanley, Deborah Flower, and John Denizio. Come on, get closer. Make believe you like each other. Guess we'll do the photo shoot before the installation. Okay. The office to which you have been elected is one of dignity and importance. You are about to assume a role that will no longer classify you as private citizens, but public servants. You're now identified as officers and trustees of your organization, committed to the best interests of the public and to the welfare of your members. Please raise your right hands. Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that you will administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment in conformity with the Constitution and bylaws of the North Central Jersey Association of Realtors, the New Jersey Realtors, and the National Association of Realtors? That you will adhere to and enforce the code of ethics of the Realtors, that you will uphold the provisions of the New Jersey State License Law and the rules and regulations of the State of New Jersey Real Estate Commission, that you will, in all your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner possible, endeavor to promote and safeguard the best interests of the citizens of the state, the high purposes of your organization, and the welfare of its membership. Do you subscribe? Please say, I will. You may lower your hands. By the virtue of the authority conferred upon me by the New Jersey Realtors, I do hereby proclaim each of you duly installed to the office to which you've been elected. Congratulations. Your guys are done. Go. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Good to see you.